Hi guys, to receive this smartwatch for your home purposes, and well, let's take it out the box. We got the warranty, the user manual, the main unit, the straps. I'm gonna put them on. Here we have the function button. We got a long press, and we've got a charge with. And here comes the charger. It's a Bluetooth watch, so you can connect it to your cell phone and you can receive different calls and answer different notifications from it. And it actually has Alexa built in with the watch, which is really nice. So let's download the app and pair it with my cell phone. Okay, just like that, I found it. It's really easy. Just gotta put my personal info really quick. You can see workout, blood oxygen, sleep, breath, the heart rate. You can see notifications in it, which is nice. Different functions, which is really nice. As you can see in here, we've got the distance traveled, the steps, the calories, and the percentage of battery. You've got configuration and everything, and I wanna test the Alexa option. I'm gonna connect my Alexa right now. So you can see it, give at the time. Alexa, how's the weather? So it's really nice, very easy to configure. Yes.
Sorry, I'm having trouble.
I'm gonna exit the Alexa application. And in here you can change the watch faces, which is really nice. I'm gonna set this one like this. You can see it's ready. And in here, when you will make some exercise, get some steps, you'll be able to see every information, which is really nice. You can start your exercise in the application to go run indoors, outdoors, get some hiking, doing some yoga, or even bicycling, which is really nice. Here you can see your proper watch and if the Alexa is connected, and here your account. So I think it's a really nice watch. It's very easy to configure, which is something nice. It's a very nice quality. It's fast. It doesn't take much time responding to your touch, and it works perfectly. And I would really recommend it. The application is very friendly, so you ain't gonna have any troubles well, learning how to use it, and everything. It's perfect. So I would really recommend it. See ya.